Well, today Nisha and Matt are going to cook.
What are we going to cook?
We're doing pancake rolls.
Whatever, I'm hungry.
The Frenchman is making
Whatever you can cook, I'm hungry.
the Frenchman is making the pancakes.
Yeah. We've got to make the pancakes, make the filling, fill the pancakes, deep fry them. This is plain flour, and you've got to sift it from up high to get some air into it, and put a pinch of salt in it. Make a hole in the middle, and then you're going to crack those eggs into that hole.
Hang on, tip here. I always break the eggs into a bowl one by one because in case one's off, and then you've ruined the whole batch. No?
Yeah, good idea. Try and make a nice smooth sort of paste with it before you start adding coconut milk. Just a bit at a time. Come on, put a bit of effort in it.
It's super liquid.
It's a favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days
I don't like to cook.
You're a good cook, though.
And she is.
a good cook.
She
Yeah.
says that.
I
She's
never have
always,
to-
look at that, look at that.
Too much. So you see the little bubbles coming up now, right?
Yeah.
That's an indication, obviously, that it's cooking.
Yeah. Oh, this is a disaster. Oh, this is what you shouldn't do this. It's made on purpose. It's very professional.
You can use any sort of vegetable you like in this, as long as you have that mashed potato, because the mashed potato sort of binds it together. Right? So we've got the roasted curry powder there
That you made.
that I made earlier in the first show. The garlic, which has been chopped finely. Ginger here, which has been grated, peeled and grated. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some chili powder, which is optional because we also use fresh chilies here. Right. A lemon, and we've got curry leaves. So the garlic and the ginger next. Yeah, a lot of garlic. Hardest vegetable first. Go on, taste it.
There's certain ingredients
Yeah, there we go.
and then you add it, and then it tastes perfect. Where's the pepper? Where's the pepper?
It's hot enough. What's the matter with you? You've got no taste buds left. Put some filling on it. Well, it's probably a good tablespoonful, yeah? You turn this in first, right? Then you turn the sides in because we're making a nice little parcel. You then roll it, just put a little bit of the egg wash there, which acts like a glue, right? And then we roll it together. You then dip it in the egg, and then you dip it in the breadcrumb. You don't want to put more than maybe 3 because we don't want the heat to disperse.
Say you like our videos. Doesn't matter if you have to lie. Say you like them by pushing the button, and then share it with all of your friends and all of your enemies.
So do join us. We'd love to see you. Bye.